What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video and to the channel. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new product that is now available on my store. I'm also going to be showing you guys how to install it and just overall giving you guys a nice visual and look of the product. So the new product is going to be this carbon fiber gear shift piece. I don't know exactly what to call it, but it's basically like a direct replacement of the silver piece on the gear shift knob, and it's only going to be for the updated knob on the F30s that were from 2014 to 2018 for the F30. For the F32 4 series and F22 2 series, I believe they use the same exact knob. They came out later anyway, like 2014. So it's going to be for those specific gear shift knobs. I believe the 2013 is a different gear shift knob, so it won't work for that one. But as you guys saw, it is real carbon fiber, and it is a direct replacement, so there's no like additional modification. It's not like a stick-on, so it has, I believe, the best look, most OEM look. So yeah, that is why I'm offering it on my store. I believe this is a pretty cool, high quality piece, so I am super excited to share it with you guys. So here's the gear shift knob that I am referring to. I have a 2014 F30 335i, and as you guys can see, this carbon fiber piece, like I said, is a direct replacement of the silver piece that's around like the RN and D, and then the parking button there. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install this. It's a pretty easy install, so it's not too difficult, won't take that much time. So let's go ahead and install it. So the first thing I'm going to do here is remove this inner piece here that shows you whether you're in drive or reverse or neutral. And to remove it, I'm going to be using this little tiny screwdriver that comes with my start-stop buttons that I offer on my store. But you just need like some sort of small little pick tool. You don't have to use exactly this. You just need to use a very small little tool that will get in between the crevice of the outer silver piece and the inner piece that I'm about to remove here. So I'm going to go ahead and try to put this screwdriver like underneath the piece and just kind of like pry it upward, being very careful not to scratch or break anything here. Very carefully pry up on it. Here we go. As you guys can see, it was just simply held on by some adhesive or just some tape. So I'm gonna have to use my own tape to reinstall this once I get the carbon fiber piece on here. So put that to the side. So once you get that piece off, you can see inside the gear shift knob here, there's a little screw right there. That is going to be a T8 sized screw. So you're gonna need a T8 Torx bit to get that screw out. I have my little T8 Torx bit here that I'm gonna be using to get that screw out. Go. Make sure not to lose this. I'm going to put it in my cup holder here. Now this whole piece should just pop out. There we go, just like that. So I'm going to be obviously reusing this parking button piece here. And then I'm going to need to remove the white piece that's in here. Just going to go ahead and use the screwdriver to pop that out. There we go. There it is, just like that. There are these two little like holes. Let's see if I can show you. There's one right here, one there, oh, one right there, and then another one. Where's that? Right there. You're gonna need to like push the screw or whatever tool you're using to push it out. Just like stick it through that hole and just kind of push down, and then the white piece will push out. As you guys can see, there's like two little points right there that were sticking through those two holes. Just push on those and then the piece will just pop out, like as you guys just saw. So now that that's out, we'll go ahead and put the white piece on the new carbon fiber piece here. Alright, so I think I got it all the way in here, as you can see. I was just simply like pressing it down from the top here to make sure it clicks all the way in those two little holes. You can see they're on here. One right there, and the other one right there. Inside there. So now, I can go ahead and put this back on here. There we go. Nice and secure. Alright, so then the last step here would be to stick this piece back on with some double-sided tape. There's actually still some of the adhesive on there, and it's still kind of sticky, so I'm going to see if it'll just stick with what it has. That way, like, I don't put, you know, a brand new double-sided tape on there and then it's like too sticky, just in case I want to remove this in the future and go back to the silver piece here. So let's just see if it works with the leftover adhesive. Looks like it's good. I mean, it doesn't need to be like super sticky. I think it's good. So yeah, it looks like it's pretty secure on there. It doesn't need to be like super sticky because like I said, I might want to remove this again and put the silver piece back on. So I think it's good. So you may not even need double-sided tape depending on how your adhesive looks when you remove yours, but mine was fine, so I think I'm just going to keep it like this. Since it seems pretty secure, it's not going to come out. Obviously, you could still use double-sided tape if you want to be safe, so it doesn't like pop out or anything. And if it does, I'll probably just simply take it back out and put some double-sided tape. But after this, that is it. Everything is completely installed. And now you guys can see the piece as it is completely installed. So here is the complete look of the piece. As you guys can see, it's not, you know, perfect like the silver piece was, but I mean, this is a factory piece and you'll never get like, you know, perfect OEM factory fitment with aftermarket carbon pieces. But overall, it's really good. I definitely love how this looks on mine. But yeah, it looks awesome, and it goes now with the rest of the carbon fiber trim piece that I'm hoping to also make available on my store at some point here for the F30 complete carbon fiber trim piece set. for the door handles, all of the trim pieces that I have. So yeah, this looks awesome, and it basically completes the interior look with carbon fiber. The only thing left is really just my steering wheel. I'm still planning to get a custom steering wheel. I'm actually planning to build my own custom steering wheel with products that I will hopefully offer on the store so that you guys can build your own. So yeah, I'm super excited. I got a lot of things planned, but this is where we're at right now. Looks awesome. Here's a closer look. So that is pretty much it, you guys. It is a very simple install, not too complicated, and it won't take much time at all. I think I did that like in 10 minutes. And as you guys saw, it looks pretty awesome, at least in my opinion. If you are satisfied with how this looks and are interested in getting one for yourself, I'll leave a link directly to my website where you guys can purchase one of these for yourself. For those of you who have or are planning to purchase any products from my store, I just want to say thank you. I am very grateful that you guys are willing to support what I'm doing here, and it just makes me feel really good that I have some level of impact and influence in the BMW community. So yeah, it just makes me feel really good. It really keeps me going. So yeah, I just want to say I'm very thankful, very grateful for any type of support you guys show me, whether through my store, through just simply watching my videos, or just simply, you know, sending me a message or comment or anything. Basically saying that my cars are an inspiration to your cars. I've gotten a lot of DMs of people saying that, and it is really awesome. It really makes me happy. It really makes me feel good that I have this level of influence to some people, or a good amount of people in the BMW community. But anyway, you guys, that is pretty much going to do it for this video. Like I said, I'll leave a link directly to my store where you guys can check out this product if you guys are interested. If you guys have any additional comments or questions or anything, feel free as always to comment them down below the video. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you are new here for more content like this. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video.